Hello everyone, a special third special, maybe even fourth, I don't know, could it be fifth? Thank you to Oscar in LA, the city of angels. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. And we get this question all the time: will you do lenses for my frames? And the answer is definitely maybe, if I feel like it. But no, we don't do it for every frame. Some people send us a $2,000 pair of Jacques-Marie Mange and want a $79 lens, and it costs me more to insure the frame than I make off the lenses, so the answer is no on that. If the frame is less than $500, I will touch it. I do not want to be everything for everybody. But Oscar sent us his Moscot. If you guys know that logo that's on there. This is the Lemtosh. Before I get going, he's getting a Zeiss progressive lens, and I'll give you the details on that, but he put a dot on the lens. That's how we know where to place the invisible bifocal while he's wearing it. He's got the Zeiss Progressive ClearMind Individual 3, the nicest lens that Zeiss offers in the invisible bifocal. I've highlighted prescription for the right eye, same for the left. Pupillary distance, optical center height, the second height that he requested, the polarized, the packets that the lenses came in. The SKR is the Skylet Road, 100% UVA and B protection. Again, I've highlighted prescription for the right eye, same for the left. Now the Skylet Road, that is a little bit more high contrast than a polar. I didn't even know this color was available. He called Jigsaw at this number and talked about lens options. I'm too busy to research every lens, but Jigsaw hooked him up. He did his research. This is a great driving lens. It's almost like the old Serengeti lenses of all you old school people out there. Come on back with me. Come on back if you remember Serengeti sunglasses. But this is essentially the lens they built their empire on, and he upgraded to the Duravision Gold anti-glare treatment. Do you see that, to bring out the gold in the frame? He's gotten several pair of clear lenses with the Duravision Gold, and he likes it because not just the look, but he feels is the one that's the easiest to keep clean, and that's why he goes with it. Now, a lot of people will get anti-glare coating on the back surface of a Duravision Sun, on the back surface of the lens, but yes, we can put it front and back. We can put any of the anti-glare coatings, and he just thought it would look better and perform better with the Duravision Gold on the front and back surface. So we hooked him up with that. So this is what they look like. I need to run to the post office to get these shipped. He just got notified by our stamps.com that they will go out today. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you've liked what you've seen. If you've got your own frames you want to do, send us information on that, and we'll tell you whether I can. I just can't do them for all frames. Even technically speaking, IC Berlin, Lindbergh, there's a few frames I just can't cut the bevel for. So contact Jigsaw at that number if you want to use your own frames. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Give us leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Oscar in LA, thank you so much for your repeat business and trusting us with your vision needs. This time, the Zeiss ClearMind Polarized Skylet Road lenses with Duravision Gold in your Moscot Lemtosh frames. Click on the link above to purchase lenses only for your frames. I'm Seymour Better. Oscar's going to be seeing Mo Better. And now everyone else has gotten the chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.